Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be doing this shirt. It's fairly simple. All you're going to need is a t-shirt of your choice and a pair of scissors. The first step is to cut off the collar. Now I'm going to stay close to that hem that the collar has, and then I'm going to cut lower in the back. Because that's in the back is where the scoop of the shirt is going to be. And the next thing that I'm going to do is cut off both of the sleeves and cut off a little more than the sleeve hemline, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now you should have a tank top with the lower side of the hemline, or sorry, the neckline will be in the back, and we're going to work with the front first. And what I'm doing here is making slits that are the same length, and then after about 6 slits that are the same length, I'm going to start making them smaller. And then I'm just going to stretch them out, and then I am using a pillow just so you can see what I'm doing better. I'm going to take that first string and just bring it over the second string, and then I'm just going to do a basic weave, and then I'm going to tie it off at the bottom. And then the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to do a twist weave, and I am going to do that right in the middle once I get this tied off. Okay, so it is tied off now, and I'm pushing those over to the side just so I have more room for that twist and weave. So here I am doing the twist weave. I apologize that my fingers are in the way. And then I'm just going to tie it off at the bottom again. And you'll see in a couple minutes that I am going to be extending my slits that I made. So right here I'm just adjusting to see how everything lays. And then I wanted my slits to be a little longer just so the first weave we did, the basic weave, kind of isn't so close to the twist weave. So here I am just fixing everything. And yeah, that looks good. So the next thing I'm going to do is turn my shirt around, and it's pretty simple. I'm just going to cut a straight cut down the back of the shirt as long as you want it, because this is going to be the plunge of the shirt there. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess material. And I'm actually going to save this little bit there that I just cut off. The next step is to make your armholes a little bigger, and then I'm just going to stretch out those the back part there, and then I'm just going to make sure that those two are together, and then I'm just going to take that piece of fabric that I cut off, and then just wrap it around, and then keep wrapping and tie it off. Make sure you tie it at the top and tie it off at the bottom, and then you are done. You're just going to stretch out that plunge again, and then adjust your twisted rope there that you just did if you want it higher or lower. And that's easily to do because it will just slide up and down. So that's what you should have when you are finished. And I'm just going to try it on for you guys. So this is what it looks like on. Turned out pretty cute. I like it. I used a, I believe it was a large t-shirt. So it made it fit a lot more nicely. It's like a Halter plunge shirt. So if you like my videos, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified for every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.